Hello everyone. Alright, in this video, I'm going to be making another tutorial inside of Visual Studio. I'm just going to be winging it. This tutorial is going to be, like a multi-part tutorial, just like my whitelist tutorial is going to be. I don't know if I told any of you guys that in my last video, that my whitelist tutorial is going to be multiple parts to it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So what you want to do, I'm going to blur this out because I do not want you guys seeing the projects I'm working in once again. So just know that that was going to be blurred out. And it's actually a long story about how my setup was supposed to come in today, but it went to the wrong address. And luckily the people that it went to were honest, and they brought it back to the UPS station, and I'm allowed to get it tomorrow. So it's kind of a crazy story. So yeah, let's get back into this. I'll be getting all my gaming supplies tomorrow. Okay. Also, if you guys didn't know, I'm fairly sick. I have pink eye in both my eyes, fairly severe. So I'm able to record these videos without stress of running out of time editing or anything like that. So I might be uploading a good bit more. Anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna be naming this iChat, so ICHAT. It's gonna be the social media that I'm making. So I'm just gonna press OK. This is a C# Windows form. You guys can follow along. I'm not gonna be copywriting this or anything like that. I'm just going to be making a multi-part tutorial on how to make a social media, if you will, like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, all that. This one's going to be more based kind of on Facebook because I don't want to copy anybody else. You're going to basically be able to make posts, you're going to be able to register accounts and all that inside of a exe hooked to a bunch of web-based stuff. Also, I have been looking through the comments on my last video on how to make a C# whitelist, and I am seeing you guys' requests and all the bugs. Like I said, it's fairly unsecure, but the next video will be me fixing all those bugs and making it more secure, string encryption, lots of stuff that'll keep you guys safe, so you can actually release it, and hopefully you don't get cracked. Anyways, let's get right to it. Yeah, so I'm going to set the form 1 to be, the text is just going to be ICHAT as so. No, it's going to iChat login as so. So I'm going to set my icon to be, or show icon to be false. Let me just make sure I'm recording, because last time I did that, yes I am, okay. I'm making this kind of an uncut video like I did, but last time I tried recording this, it did not go well. I was not recording, so I was just making sure. Anyways, excuse me. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in here, and I'm just going to find a gradient. Yeah, just type in gradient and head over to images. Because if something does happen and I do need to cut it out, I will cut it out, but other than that, these is just going to be raw footage right here. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's been installed for a while now, I'm just really retarded. References, I'm going to go to reference. Set active caption. Okay, so I'm gonna select everything. Oh no, don't select everything. You want to select these two and you want to go to format, center and form horizontally, and it centers them. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. There, as so. Then I'm going to go to raised button. So now that you've done that, you can tell this is a little miscolored, so I'm going to head back over to Chrome, right? And I'm going to search for material skin GitHub, as so. And it should be one of the first things that come up is this. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down until you find these, and it should say C# form1.cs, and you'll just copy where it says, like all the way down to right here. Oh, wrong button. Okay, now you want to double click the background of your form and find where it says initialize component, drop a couple lines and paste it in, and you'll see okay, so it doesn't exist, so we're going to use it. We're going to add the library, so we're going to do using material skin dot controls and using material skin, as so. So we're getting one error, and it's add form manager to this, and since this is not a material form, it's gonna kind of trip out, so we're going to delete that. So I'm gonna delete where it says theme 2, Okay, now I'm just gonna completely delete this liner here. Now this is what we really want to focus on. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna put blue 200 and keep blue gray. And this one's gonna be blue 300, I believe, and the accents can stay the same. Now if I start this, I believe it should work. Keep in mind, this is the first build of the project, so it might take a minute. It can be faster for others depending on the computer you have, the CPU. Okay, so this is the first build. It should be up here in just a second. So yeah, this is what we have. So you come up here and you can put in your username. I'll just put like not all caps, and then a password. So we would put a password, and once you put a password in, as you can see, it does that. And then we'll just press this button to log in, and I'll also have a register button. But one thing you don't want to allow your form to do is go full screen, because it'll just look really bad. So what you want to do is you want to click on your form and scroll down, and you want to find maximize box and set that to false. Username text dot text, and I'm gonna do string pass is equal to what did I set it as? Let's find out. I set it. Oh, I didn't change it yet, so let's get back to this. So I'm gonna delete this message box, and I'm just gonna say if so this is gonna be our statement we're gonna be using in the next video. So I'm gonna comment out, I'm just gonna do /*/. That's a multi-line comment, and I'm gonna comment out this part too. And this is where we're gonna put our new function. So basically, what this is just commenting until we get our next videos or next video worth of content in. So I'm gonna make a new form. Ouch. Okay. And I'm just gonna call this mainchat.cs. Okay. And now we have a new form. So I'm gonna make this a fairly nice size, and I'm not gonna make it too humongous. Background image. And I'm going to use the same one, and I'm going to call this one iChat main, or I'm just going to call it iChat home. And basically what I'm looking forward to do is I'm going to have multiple servers, and basically you guys don't really need a great computer to run a server for chat on your computer. You really don't. It doesn't take a lot of CPU. If you guys have ever used a Discord bot that had logs in it, that's about how much CPU it's going to take. So I'm going to get a couple different things going. I'm going to get oh yeah, I'm going to get a group box. So just drag one onto here. I'm going to put it in the top. No, I'm gonna have the username of the person in the top left. Okay. Well, okay, so I'm gonna have it about this big right here. Okay, and I'm gonna have it say servers. And basically what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to have servers turned on and off. Yeah, you'll be able to turn your servers on and off when you need to. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here, and I'm going to use active caption for this, and there should be something down here regarding the borders, or usually it'd be up here, but I'm going to set the flat style to flat. Okay, and I know you can change the font, so I'm going to come back over here to Server UI, and I'm going to do semi-light this time, and I'm going to do 11. So now we have this. So now I'm going to have I'm going to come back over here, double click the form. Okay, now I'm going to copy this. Oh, come over here, double click the form, and paste that in under your initialize component. Okay, and I'm also going to copy this login button, but I'm going to be using it for a different purpose, and I'm going to have it say login. 5 servers, even though hardly anybody will join any of them once I actually do release. Abbreviate it for me, so I'm gonna do it myself. Actually, I kind of like that. I'm digging that. Okay. And I'm just gonna have it start off, and it's gonna say server. Be the first to say something. And then again, I'm going to use this, but I'm going to use the regular version, and it's going to be size of 11. Okay, now I'm going to have a normal, no, I'm going to have this kind of text box. This one over on the main chat form, and paste it in right here. Control does not support transparent background colors, so I'll just set the background color to anything. It doesn't have to be anything. You can put it whatever. And now paste it on. So we're gonna, okay, sorry, I just drew a blank right there. So I'm going to punch this down. Okay, and I'm gonna drag this to be about right there. And I'm gonna have this say send. So this is going to say, not username, and I'm gonna have it say something. As so. Okay, so let's see what all we have so far. But I'm going to add certain things to these text boxes first. So this will be the Roblox chat, right? Yeah. So it's going to find the rich text box, 1.text plus equals, which means it's adding. Plus equals always means it's gonna add something to it. And I'm gonna do -n server Roblox chat joined. Oh, no, I need to keep that there, but I need to also have it on copy. So I'm gonna come over here to exploiting chat, and I'm gonna change this to exploiting chat joined. And this one's gonna say YouTube. This one's gonna say gaming. You guys might be able to see a little bit of what I'm doing here. Meet friends chat join. One-on-one, and this is just gonna say one-on-one chat join. Okay, so the one-on-one chat might be a little bit more difficult to set up server-wise, but it's okay. There we go. We're also gonna have a message of the day up here, but I'm not gonna set that up right now. We'll set that up in the next video. Anyways, guys, let's see what we have so far. Okay, so we have the iChat login. So you come here and username. So I'm gonna put sim. Password is just gonna be developer. And also, I forgot to say, in the next video, there's gonna be like admins and moderators, and they're gonna be able to kick people and ban people's accounts and stuff like that. So Roblox chat, we have all this. Roblox chat, when you join, it'll say server Roblox chat joined, exploiting chat joined, YouTube chat joined, gaming chat joined, meet friends chat joined, and one-on-one chat join. Now we need to basically just make a login. Okay. Or a logout function, I should say. So we're going to double click logout, and I'm going to say this.close. And then I'm going to say, oh no, above this.close, above this.close, I'm going to say, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, okay. So I'm going to do form1. Okay, form1, and I'm just going to say form is equal to new form1. Oh, that's definitely not how you do it. You do need a semicolon right there. And I'm going to do form.show. And it's going to close out of this window, so it logs you out. And it clears all the login information from the form1, so they can't just re-log in. So I'll just put like login. Now I'm in. Everything works. And I press logout, and boom, we're back to here. Anyways, guys, that's it for part 1 of this how to make a social media tutorial. I mean, I don't even know if you'd call this a tutorial, but if you guys did enjoy, make sure you drop a like and a subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Adios.